Myself Somdipto, and this is the product which we built in this hackathon. It is called as Agent8, and me and my teammate Aniket Raj are we have worked on this project to build this. So for example, just if you just go start this app, you have to connect the API of Gemini in this, and if you connect the Gemini API, and then after that you can just add a like a command or like a prompt in this. Okay, and after the prompt it will go to the Gemini API. It is like a BYOK. If you are making a like a difficult workflow, I will prefer you to go with the Claude API, and like go to this setting and use Claude actually, because Claude is much more better for like a complex task, right? So, and if you're making for a simple task, I will prefer you to go with the Gemini API. Then let's move to the workflow making, and if you just click on the generate button, it will go to the API and make a JSON file for that, and the same JSON file will be pasted here as a as a node by node, what n8n does, right, in the same thing. And we're trying to make n8n easier and accessible to every single person in the world, just like by being the most like lovable.dev. We are trying to build the lovable.dev for n8n. So for example, let's do a cool thing like connect how to connect a cooking class. Okay, let's cook how to conduct a cooking class. Let's generate the workflow, and you can see every single node will be like completely generated new again, right? After like it will take 5 seconds. Okay, yeah, got it. Cool. So, so first the start node, and after that send email invitations, then set recipe, and if you just click on that, it will double click on that, it will get you a whole editing field where you can just edit every single thing, like every single parameters on that, on the basis of your requirement, like if you can add your own data or like API, any single thing. And after that send recipe details, then send email feedbacks, request and all. If you want to like deploy it to n8n to work further on that, or like deploying it publicly, so there is an option to deploy to n8n. Wait. So you have to like uh, give your password. Wait, let me hold the camera. Enter the password. It's not clicked. A second. After entering the password, you can just click on deploy workflow, and it will be successfully deployed. Yeah. After that, click in the open in n8n, as you can see in this, and open in n8n. It will just make a completely new n8n workflow on that. Like as you can see, start node, send email invitation, set recipe, send recipe details, and send feedback to request, and that's all. Like we have to work a lot on this project, because fine tuning the RAG and fine tuning the API, it takes a little bit time. So, and I also like would like to like have a fine tuning RAG. So we have a data set of more than 1 lakh of n8n workflows. We are going to train a model on that and use it on top of this calling API part. So after that, it will be exactly a better and refined version of n8n. Yeah, thank you for now.